Hello and welcome to yet another episode of Hanging Out with me in my kitchen space. Today let's make some bhajia maru. You can also call them bhajia, you can also call them potatoes. And these are the ingredients that I have for today's recipe. I have some all-purpose flour, I have some salt, I have some cold water. For my spices, I have some rico, I have some paprika, black pepper, and turmeric, and this is some cornstarch. I also have some yellow food coloring. This is egg yellow. I have a slice of ginger, I have some coriander, and these are the potatoes. I'm just using 3 medium small potatoes. So let's talk about the spices. And I have some turmeric over here, which is just about a pinch because I do not really like the taste of turmeric. And as you know, bhajias are yellow in color because of the turmeric, or you can also use the egg yellow food coloring, or you can also use both. So I've decided to go with a small pinch of turmeric, and I've also decided to add in a small pinch of egg yellow food coloring. Also for the flour, if at all you do not have the flour that is meant for cooking bhajias, you can also use some all-purpose flour, and in this case I want them a little bit crispy on the edge, so I'm going to add a little bit of cornstarch, though this is totally optional again. You can as well use your all-purpose alone without the cornstarch. So without piece of information, let's get started. So this is what I have, and I'm going to wash this, and I'll come back and show you how to cut your potatoes. So they're clean, and you're simply going to cut across relatively thin slices or layers. But again, you do not want to make them extremely thin because you're not making crepes. So this is it, and now we have to wash them again to remove the starch that is found in the potatoes. And I'm going to set it aside and start working on my other vegetables. So this is the consistency that you're going for, something that is not too light, because when it's too light, the butter will end up running through your potatoes, and if at all it is too thick, your potatoes are not going to cook in the inside. So this will go in for the first round, and then I'm going to add some water in here so that my potatoes do not turn black in color. So as you've seen, it was that easy making these bhajias, and I've already given them a taste test. No wonder they are almost over. So I'm here to give them a taste test on camera, and I've served mine with some ukwaju juice. This is so good, you guys. This is so good. Wow. So it's a bye from this side. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. And I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye.